Everybody goes through challenges in their lives, but very few overcome them like a boss. One such person is Major Devendra Pal Singh. Major DP Singh had a tough childhood. His father lost his job when he was in class 2. He therefore was sent to live along with his grandparents at Roorkee. He started studying in Kendra Vidyalaya. Every day as he walked to his school, he was exposed to military life. He was then convinced that army would be my career. Major DP had lots of challenges before he could join the army. One such challenge was he failed in his class 11 examination. But Major DP Singh tells, everything in your life happens for a reason. After he failed in his exam, he went to a nearby mango grove. He saw a young girl. Her whole body was covered with honeybees. There was no one around. Major DP took his sweater, covered the girl, and rushed her to a nearby doctor. The doctor said, had you been late by 5 more minutes, the girl would have been dead. That was the reason for Major DP's failure that day. He did not give up on his dream of joining the army. He started to work harder. Since Major DP had difficulty in talking in English, he used to stand in front of the mirror, hold an English newspaper, and read out loudly every single day. The neighbors used to tell, "Arey Sardar to pagal ho gaya hai," but this did not stop him. He then graduated from the Rani Durgavati University. Later, he went to join the Indian Military Academy. He graduated from the IMA on 6 December 1997. He was commissioned into the 7th Battalion, Dogra Regiment. Major DP tells, more the options you have in your life, more is the confusions. So have a clear aim. 21 years back from now, 1999, Operation Vijay. Major DP Singh was in charge of the line of control area with a platoon troop of 28 men under him. It was 15th of July, 1999. Early in the morning, approximately 5:30 am, there was sheer silence. Hardly did anyone realize that this was the silence before the storm. The Pakistani army, who were 80 meters away from Major DP Singh and his troop, launched a bomb. The first bomb landed far behind Major DP Singh and his troop. The second bomb landed just 1.5 meters next to Major DP Singh. The bomb exploded. Major DP Singh's stomach tore apart. His intestines were exposed. His right leg blew off. Blood started to ooze out of his body like a fountain. He lay there in a pathetic condition. Let me tell you what an officer once told. Take care of your men will take care of you. The soldiers rushed to save Major DP Singh's life, putting their own life at stake. They had to cross the river on the other side where the ambulance was waiting. One soldier was a non-swimmer. He was least bothered about his own life. His only goal was to save Major DP Singh's life. This kind of selfless sacrifice and belief you will only find in the defense forces. Major DP Singh was taken to a nearby hospital at Aknor, which was 2.5 kilometers away from the battlefield. A doctor, on noticing Major DP Singh's blood-soaked body and his pathetic condition, pronounces him dead. Fortunately, there was another doctor who was a senior specialist and also an anesthetist, realizes Major DP Singh still has life left in him. They take him to the operation theatre at the ICU, and 2 days later, the doctor realizes Major DP Singh's right leg is affected with gangrene. The doctor tells Major DP Singh, "We are sorry, we'll have to amputate your right leg." Major DP Singh tells, "Don't worry doctor, please proceed." After spending 40 days in the hospital, Major DP Singh weighs only around 28 kilograms. A person who was 65 to 67 kilograms now only weighs 28 kgs. After a year of hospitalization, the doctors declare him 150% disabled. But Major DP Singh never ever lost his determination. He says, "Conquer yourself and you will be able to conquer the world." This is his life motto. Major DP Singh then shifts to the Army Ordnance Corps at a desk job. In the year 2005, he also goes to the same spot where he was injured at Kargil. This is the first time a veteran does that. He does a car rally all the way from Kargil to Kanyakumari. At some point of time, Major DP Singh realizes that I had joined the army for adventure, not to do some paperwork. He then resigns the army in the year 2007. Major DP Singh always had a dream to do rally sports, but since it was a costly affair, he went to look for sponsors. All the sponsors, on seeing Major DP Singh, they made him feel indirectly that he was disabled. None of them were ready to sponsor him. But Major DP tells that rejection is a catalyst for new discovery. In the year 2009, he sees an advertisement of the Airtel Delhi Half Marathon. He felt that if I ever have to prove all the doctors and sponsors, everyone who made me feel disabled, I must take part in this. He starts practicing. Major DP Singh felt that if in practice I am able to cover 15 kilometers, I'll be able to do the rest 6 on the day of the marathon. But 15 days before the day of the marathon, during his practice, he wasn't even able to cover 9 kilometers. But Major DP Singh was smart. He registered one for 21 kilometers, another for 6 kilometers, and felt, let me decide which one to run on the day of the marathon. On the day of the marathon, as Major DP Singh gets out of his car, he sees all the people looking at him with faces of sympathy. Now Major DP Singh decides that अब तो चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, भागूंगा तो 21 किलोमीटर का ही. Come what may, I will run the 21 kilometer marathon. He goes and stands in the front line of the 21 kilometer marathon, doubt in his mind. How will I be able to complete this race with my artificial leg? He sees some old people standing over there. He asks them, Uncle, what are you doing here? The old man tells, we are here to run. Major DP Singh said, no more backing off. He touches the old man's feet, takes his blessing, starts to run the race. There are two thoughts in his mind. One thought is telling him to stop the race right there and quit it. The other is the good thought which is telling him to complete the race. Major DP Singh felt that if I don't complete this race today, I will lose self-respect on myself for the rest of my life. He hops the entire race and completes it, clocking a time of 3 hours and 49 minutes. All people start cheering and applauding as Major DP Singh completes the race. They rush towards him to shake his hands. Major DP Singh recalls this as one of the most amazing moments of his life. He tells a beautiful statement. It is not the physical pain that I had to overcome, it is a mental weakness. In the year 2011, Major DP Singh runs the first Blade Half Marathon in India. Marathon becomes a passion for him. He has run more than 21 half marathons, including 2 at high altitudes, and even runs a full marathon in the year 2017, 13th of January, to celebrate his birthday. Major DP Singh brought down the time to 2 hours and 10 minutes, which is his best, from his first marathon where he ran for 3 hours and 49 minutes. He also holds 4 Limca records. The first amputee to run a marathon in India, the first blade runner in India, the first blade runner to run at high altitude, and he also holds the record for the Limca People of the Year Award 2016. He also receives a national award for his extraordinary accomplishments in the year 2018. Major DP Singh also started a group called the Challenging Ones, where he trains and motivates all the amputees to be active. There are more than 1,150 members in that. Major DP Singh tells that you're not disabled if you don't have any of your body parts. In fact, you are disabled if you aren't able to do something. He tells us to be like a sponge ball. The harder you get hit, the harder you bounce back. Major DP Singh also quoted that हर तरफ है जख्म गहरा, ये तो सबने देखा, पर हंसता हुआ नूरानी चेहरा, who will see the beautiful smile on his face. Thank you, sir, for leading such an amazing life and inspiring all the people around you. Let me tell you, Major DP Singh has more than 50 shrapnels in his body. He has hearing loss, elbow injuries, knee injuries, liver damage, urinary bladder damage, what not. But still Major DP Singh tells that everything in my body is broken. Everything in my body is broken except my smile. So keep smiling, ladies and gentlemen. Jai Hind.